Today you're going to use these puzzle pieces and you're going to put them in order to show the beginning, what happened first, next, then, and last in this story. You have 4 picture cards that are all mixed up. Can you put them in the right order? Listen carefully as I read the story so you can figure out what happened first, next, then, and last. Dan and Liz went on a camping trip. After setting up the tent, they decided to make s'mores. Dan got out all the food. Liz went to build a fire. Then they roasted their marshmallows. Liz and Dan enjoyed eating the s'mores that they made while camping. Can you retell the story? Put the pictures in order. What happened first, next, then, and last. Take a picture and then send it to your teacher.